To promote friendship, not to create conflict, the Association for Philippines-China Understanding, or APCU, clarifies their purpose after an international news report claims that China has been paying certain organizations to discredit the Philippines. Isaiah Mirafuentes tells us more.
A group strongly condemned the international news report claiming that China has been paying certain organizations to discredit the Philippines. According to the report, funds were allegedly allocated to damage the relationship between the Philippines and China.
Napakawalang hiya naman ang kanilang pagsabi ng ganon. We are not affiliated with any foreign political party or organization. At saka yung APCO was established as early as 1972 actually.
According to the Association for Philippines-China Understanding, or APCU, their sole purpose is to promote friendship and understanding between the Philippines and China, not to create conflict.
It was not solely funded by the Chinese embassy. We have our own little money coming from the members and some of our officers na sila ang tumutulong.
The group stressed that they are neither pro-China nor anti-China. They express hope that the time will come when the two countries will finally reach mutual understanding. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.